What is up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. Good evening. As promised, a new video yet again on Kindle Publishing. Today we're going to talk about part two of Emeka's Osai interview with Ollie Al Gore, aka Oliver. So today there was part two of this fantastic interview about a student who's making $13,000 a month consistently from Amazon self-publishing, and supposedly he's giving away the secrets, the knowledge. And these guys are my buddies, but they're not telling you the full, insightful information that you need to really know about the secrets, if you may, that they're talking about. To get really specific about that, I'm talking about the whole notion of when you're publishing books, don't try to be the 50th weight loss book, okay? So, what does that really mean? They didn't really get specific about that with a specific example. Now, because I'm your buddy and I'm here to help you make money, I'm actually going to show you exactly what that means with a very specific example on Amazon. Because, I'm the keyword guy. I'm the guy who, if you want to get rich quick, you ask for keywords from. That's who I am, or that's what I'm getting to be known for, rather, on the space for self-publishing. So, Oliver and Emeka were talking about how you want to take a unique angle, a unique approach to what would be a saturated niche, like weight loss or self-help. So, I'm going to show you a very specific example right now of how that works. So, without further ado, we're going to go on Amazon, because I like to be hands-on. I would do these full screen, videos of me, but I'm a hands-on guy. I want to show you my POV of what goes through my head and how to actually execute being successful with this self-publishing shit. So here we go. Let's think of a topic. I can probably pull this off just improvising here. Alcoholism. Alcoholism books. Okay, that would be a segment of self-help. So let's look at alcoholism books and see what comes up. All right. So here, haven't looked at this yet, but basically I would assume these are all books about how to get over alcoholism. So you've got The Naked Mind, Under the Influence, it's a guide on alcohol sobriety, the 30-day sobriety solution. These all follow the same pattern of being books about guides on alcoholism. Now, I'm sure these books do fairly well, given that they're established from actual publishing companies, big timers. You have the expenditures to market on a bigger level and get a lot of reviews, as you can see here. But let's look at something that could possibly be self-published, something that comes with a different angle. Now, what would be a different angle? How about someone writing an autobiography, like my journey through alcoholism and how I beat it, or something like that? That would be considered a different angle to this segment of self-help for alcoholism. Okay? So here, this book is called Sober as Fuck, My 2-Year Journey of Rediscovery and Self-Love. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This author here, not sure if it's a self-published person or if it's a book done by a big-time publisher. So I'm just going to look here. Create Space Independent. This is a self-published author. And this book was published May of 2017 and holds a very respectable rating here for ranking on the paperback. And let's just look at the Kindle version, even though it's not as important for... who cares about that? Money's in the paperbacks, baby. That's all I really care about. I don't give a fuck about the Kindle version. Sorry, guys. So anyway, this book retails for $13.99. The book is black and white, 164 pages long. Let's just say it makes about $5, maybe $6 per sale, and sells about 5 to 6 copies a day. So this supposed fine-ass gal, this girl who's authored the book, supposedly, could be totally fake. I mean, in self-publishing, you can be anyone you want. But this person here makes about maybe, let me do the math so I'm accurate, close to $1,000 a month off of this one book. Now, it's only got 45 reviews. Decent amount, but that's something that can be achieved by just about anyone who puts a decent amount of dollars into a VA, along with maybe working with a mailing list. So, this book is special as it's not just a guide on solving alcoholism, and it says it right here. The road to sobriety is hard. I don't intend to sugarcoat any part of it with you. So it's trying to be relatable, authentic. It's like an autobiography of someone who was a hardcore weekend binge drinker, one blackout one night after the other. So this is something that an alcoholic could relate to and want to read, as it's emotionally drawing on why you'd want to buy this book. Now, I don't know if this is a made-up story. Personally, it's probably genuine. But, guys, be creative. Think outside the box. You could write, God forgive, a somewhat facetious angle on a self-help topic. You just got to be creative, like trying to come up with something that will draw our reader emotionally and have a different approach to, another guide on self-help or weight loss. Don't be the 50th weight loss book. Don't be that 50th guide on self-help. Find a unique angle, and this book clearly does it. So that's something I just wanted to share for you today. It was just like killing the hell out of me that we couldn't get a specific example. Guys, think outside the box. Put some thought into your keyword research now that you know this. Just come up with ideas like I did. This took me literally one fucking try. Like, I didn't rehearse this. I literally just typed in something related to self-help, found something that came up with a unique angle, and it has a proven selling record. All right? So that's all I've got. Now, you might have thought that was really cool, but man, I've got more stuff for you. So stay tuned. I've got something really, really important. If you've ever wanted free coaching from me, stick into tomorrow's video and especially Friday. Friday, I've got a big announcement for you. Potential for you to have free coaching with me if you're interested. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already. And wait for my next videos. Thank you.